is corrupt, the entire river will. A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also. I do not support corruption. Corruption takes money away from children's education. It deprives hospitals of basic necessities. It means that roads are not fixed. Corruption deepens inequality. It siphons off taxpayers' money to make a few cronies richer with the political connections instead of benefiting the people. This government has been doing everything it can to weaken and undermine the Integrity Commission, which is an institution that I designed as Minister of Justice and brought the legislation to Parliament to fight corruption in this country. I have said it before and I will tell you again, Jamaica cannot move forward without a government built on integrity that embraces principles of good governance in this country.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit, my people. Me say me have a piece of bangarang for drop on uno. But before me get in at the bangarang, take a listen to.
Anybody see this girl out there, please and thanks. And please report to the nearest police station. Her name is Brianna Owell. 12-year-old. Please, look out for her. Oh God. One more missing child. Christmas Eve she missing. Please, look far from her, please. Find her.
And this is the reason why I tell y'all, you have issues. Because here what you're going to say, every single thing that I've said a while ago came straight from the IC report. You don't know what your government is doing. You don't know nothing about Mr. Oldness. Everything that I've said is from the IC report. It says in the IC report that NCB Marketplace, Burrita, NCB have all of this money a string from left, right, and center for him. Go and read the IC report. It also spoke on the 3 businesses that he have the money circulating through $472 million in premium, positive media, and estate bridge. Every single thing that I've said in the previous video is straight from the IC report, and this is why I tell you all, on a don't know 3/4 hour going in our own country, and just love jump up and chat and defend, because you're going to defend something you don't know, and you're going to tell me that them need me in the wrong job, darling. Go and go looking at the IC report. If you want to know about your Prime Minister, go find the IC report and read it. It is there for Jamaican people to read. What the hell? So what are you thinking? You thought that I just come up with all of this off at the bottom of my head and come on social media? Let me tell you something. That's why I'm telling you, man, on a brain too small. On a brain small and full of nonsense. All of what I said came from the IC report. What more evidence do you want? My God. Go and read the report and see how your Prime Minister 6 times tendered lies to the Integrity Commission about his wealth. Go and find that out. It's all there. I mean, go there. They also says, you know, they're going to undeclared 2 of his status. They're just looking for the inaccuracies. I mean, what are you talking about? Listen. You see, when I'm out here talking, baby, a fox me come out here, come speak. I may run a joke, but I never tell a lie. So if you want to know if all the things I've said in my previous video that you made this comment under is true, go I see. You will see more than what you need to see. But I get to find out that you guys are so caught up in believing in the lies that you hate to look for the truth. So you may not even want to go to the IC to read the reports. But you need to go find out. If you want to know about your Prime Minister, go there and read it. So this year now, his status still not declared. So it will be seven time now his status not declared, you know. Remember that, you know. So, and think about it. Remember that your Prime Minister still not signed the code of conduct, you know. So you need to go know about your Prime Minister. Don't come out here and defend someone that you don't know. That is not good. That is not good. Your Prime Minister lie, not your Prime Minister, our Prime Minister liar than wicked. Like, what the hell? Come on now. So you don't see it in the IC report also, where it said Mr. Honest owned an account at NCB without $0 down, which is not normal. You and I can't do it. When you go open my account, you have to use money to open the account. Mr. Honest owned account at NCB without $1 down, and then a few days later, 148,000 US from SSL transferring it. It's all there in the report, my darling. And I could go on from today, tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. So you seems not to know what is going on with your Prime Minister when you're running out here, chatting up your mouth. Don't really mean to shout at you, but go read the report, okay? And never you defend someone that you don't know. Okay, it's like recommending someone to an institution, a delicate institution that you don't know, and then they messed up. Don't do that. Don't do that. Go and learn about your Prime Minister, not your Prime Minister, our Prime Minister, before you come out here to defend him. Okay, have a good day. Before I tell you to go have a good day, now we have the good day. Hold on, let me tell you something else. Did you also know that the IC report also says that the companies are shell? They are shell. That means no one is working there. The companies aren't even real companies. It's just a face that Mr. Honest used to spread his dirty monies. Okay, just like how in America, in the States, they would have a shop front, and it's really not a shop. It's just to sell drugs there. Yeah, let me tell you something. Yeah. So the businesses are not real businesses. They're like a front. It's like a front to spread the money through, which if it was me and you, it would be called money laundering. Okay, so I don't want you to come to me, baby, because I have my facts straight. Everything that I've said came from the IC report. So you can go have yourself a good day now. Bye.
My wisdom warriors, you see the thing with Labourites, they are so brainwashed. They don't even realize. And when we learn about them, they don't read with understanding. They don't even read. Number one, them say, IC is not real, or IC a PNP and one bag of something. IC was put in place by Andrew Holness. IC was put in place by Andrew Holness. You understand me? Yeah. So, when IC come out and talk up things them, the only reason why Andrew Holness a lick out against IC is because him get catch by IC. It's because Andrew Holness get catch, make you see him a lick out against the Integrity Commission, and that is wrong. And Jamaican people wanna put up with too much foolishness. It is so absurd. Wanna put up with too much foolishness, man. A full time wanna stand up and see the light and see what is going on. Wanna need to go and read court documents and read IC report. Don't make Andrew Holness trick on you. See, Andrew Holness' father even come out other day and say, what? What did he say? Him say, nothing no go so with the two taxi. Nothing no go so. This is what Andrew Holness' father say. And then you have Labourite blogger attack with me posting on. And I say, me, I try to turn Andrew Holness' father against Andrew Holness. Can you imagine? Jamaica, you have to hear that one here. Take a listen to this.
These low-down, dirty shame PNP bloggers are trying to use Prime Minister Andrew Holness' father, Maurice Holness, against him.
So my wisdom warriors, your sister the boy Phoenix, take my post now, and I can go on like you want to come disrespect the People's National Party. Alright now, this boy is creating a narrative. What him never do, you know, him never play the video where make people them hear. Him never play the video when Andrew Holness' father say the two taxi where Andrew Holness talk about no go like that. This is what Andrew Holness' father say. So how comes he can't talk about when me say, me I try change Andrew Holness' father mind for Andrew Holness? How can I do that? You're such an idiot. You're such a fool. You're such a duncebat. You are just a paid blogger. That is what you're here for. You don't care for the Jamaican people. Every day you come out and run off your stinking mouth, batty boy. But not for uno, that you don't want to come out of the closet. Because you know say Andrew Holness signed the Samoa agreement. You know that. This is why you out there every frigging day defend Andrew Holness. Why you never show your audience the video? Show your audience the clip what Andrew Holness' father said about him. How you come and attack me, batty boy? Are the wrong person you're attacking a drunk crow. Are the wrong person you attack. Let me tell you that. Because me not send lawsuit on people, you know, brother. Me take you off completely off of social media. Me not joke. Don't play games with me, brother. You don't know me. Don't try that shit. At least if you're going to come out and you're going to talk about me, talk the truth. Don't tell no lie upon me. Don't you dare do that shit house. Shit in a plate, Phoenix boy. Don't you dare do that. And this is a warning. Don't ever come and step to my video them. Never you do that shit. You understand me? Because you're out here talking about we want to change. Andrew Wellness, father man for Andrew Wellness. Play the video, play the clip, make your audience hear. If you're bad, do that and beat me, idiot.
Through his words, they are attempting to claim that Prime Minister Andrew Wellness lied about his
Tell you something, Phoenix. Are the wrong video you play. Remember say you attack me, you know, brother. Remember say you attack me. So how you come with Andrew Wellness? You know if you come with Andrew Wellness, come with what Andrew Wellness father say, Batty boy. Come with what Andrew Wellness father say, not with what Andrew Wellness say. Andrew Wellness father say, the two taxi, nothing no go so. Come with that. Can you say, we are trying to do this and we are trying to do that? This is what uno do in a Labourite blogger. This is what uno do. Uno come out and trick the little people them because uno take Jamaican people for idiot. Uno take Jamaican people for idiot. This is why more while me get upset with the Jamaican people them, you know. Me can't believe uno sit down and listen to all these Batman Labourites. All of them boy where you see a different Andrew Wellness. Them a Batman, let me tell you that. Them a straight faggot. This is why them out here at defend Andrew Wellness. Them a pretend like them don't know say Andrew Wellness signed some more agreement. Them know Jamaica, every single one of them. So don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. If these JLP bloggers really care for Jamaican people, they want to utter every day a defend Andrew. Notice them. The only person they fight for is Andrew Wellness. They don't fight for the Jamaican people. Never. They never get up and stand up for the Jamaican people. And when Jamaican people come out and cry, they live in their water and a bawl for help, these people come and diss Jamaicans. These people come and diss Jamaicans. This is why I'm telling the sound of unite Jamaica. Because now this a boy you come out now and tell lie for me. And he can't show the video. This a boy you come out and show my post. You shouldn't show the evidence. Because remember, you know, youth, Phoenix, I go on like I take people for fool, you know. You go on like I take people for fool, you know, brother. But if you come out and you're going to say, me, I try to change Andrew Wellness, father mine, from Andrew Wellness, and me, I try to do this, why not show the people the video? That me want you to do. You can't do that. So you draw for Andrew Wellness. Nobody don't want to see Andrew. Everybody know what Andrew Wellness did say. We want to hear what the father say. Hey boy, you have to lift up, you know, boy. Because you know, rate Jamaican people, you know, boy. You have to lift up, you know. Me I tell you, you know, brother, you have to lift up. You know, rate Jamaican people. It is really shameful, you know. It is really shameful for the way I want to behave. The only person on the defend is Andrew Wellness. And the people are suffer like dog. The people are suffer like dog. Not for the people outside right now asleep out the door all baby. And every day when they get up and talk about Andrew is a good man. Andrew a shit house. And you a shit house too. Don't come for my video again, drunk rock. Because you see next time, you're not going to like it. And that may I make you know.
From a young age, did he display the leadership qualities? Was there anything that would have said to you that this is a prime minister in the making, you know?
Tax business, which he tried to lever the people, talking about 2 taxes. So he graduated, and when I went to look for him, I said, "What you doing?" He said, "I'm in the taxi business." I said, "How is it?" I said, "I have 30 taxes."
All right, guys, welcome to another exclusive feature from BOJ TV. Of course, I'm Kern Spence, and right now we are coming to you from St. Elizabeth, Goshen, St. Elizabeth, and we have with us on set, a lot of you will immediately recognize him. He is Mr. Morris Holness. I will come back to that. How are you, Mr. Morris Holness?
Not bad at all, Kern. I'm keeping up.
All right, boy. We got an invitation at the media, at the newsroom, you know, about an event that you're keeping here in Goshen. You know, we came and, you know, we thought it was just going to be, you know, a little thing with some kids running around, but we come out here and we see a sun splash. What's happening here, Mr. Wallace?
Yes, a relatively impromptu venture. My last son, Kevin Mark Holness, aka Mighty Mystic, who loves Jamaica, loves his people, called me saying that he wants to do something for his community to alleviate some of the after Melissa stress. And he's here now, and we have arranged this session, which is now in session.
All right. I mean, I got the notification probably about 24 hours ago, you know, and I recognize that. Is it something that was in the making for a very long time?
No, as I said a while ago, it was impromptu. I mean, Hurricane Melissa was just around the corner there. And, you know, the foreigners, where he is also, you know, it's very interesting what's happening in Jamaica. And he's from here, loves his yard, and wanted to do his part. So it has been just a week since he called me, but I was in action trying to clear up with my power saw, to clear up the rubble which was around me. So I just kept going to get the place in order. And he's here today, and the people are enjoying themselves in reverence, knowing that our brothers and sisters in the West, you know, didn't come out as clearly as us.
And, you know, and as you would know, you know, as a former member of parliament for the area, you know, I'm familiar with a number of the faces that I'm seeing. You know, how did you get the word out so fast? So, you know, these varying communities that I'm seeing persons representing here today.
Yes, well, word of mouth, which I did, and of course, you know, that in these country communities, there's quite good linkage with persons. So I was pleasantly surprised when I said, I don't think I'm going to get this thing out at this very short notice. But he said, the amount of persons he's hearing, the thing is going out. But I employed the gentleman who drives around and he gets an announcement, and I voiced it and let them know. And so the person had known. Plus my son had put it on the internet, the Jamaican community. whatever it is. And the people are out, and we're expecting more as the night goes on.
All right. So those of the viewers, you know, who have not recognized by now, you know, I told you I'm talking to Mr. Morris Holness. Mr. Morris Holness is actually the father of our present Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Michael Holness. How does it feel to be the father of the Prime Minister?
It feels very normal to me because I'm just a father of a son. I accept the responsibility of guiding him, and I'm guiding him as a God-fearing person in the fear of God. And as time went by, he has increased in stature and in knowledge and in wisdom and in the fear of God, and which has enhanced his performance. So my role is really to guide him, not in his political thing, but his spiritual life. So that he'll be better off handling the people.
In growing up, did you from a young age, did he display the leadership qualities? Was there anything that would have said to you that this is a prime minister in the making, you know?
He loved education. We need to have a reasonable amount of education. You know, as a matter of fact, one of the times when he failed, I think, 1 or 2 subjects in his A level, he came to look for me, and I saw him looking slim and worrying himself. So I told him, don't worry, you're just getting marked each day, so don't worry, just fight back again, you know, and do it all over. But apart from that, he was very entrepreneurial. You know, I was in the pig business, and he was helping me here along with his other siblings. And so that we weren't really making much money. And he said to me one day, Daddy, you have an empty storeroom there. Would you let us make some bag juice and you go and sell them? I said, no matter with that, we'll fight her. And another incident, when he was about to graduate, he came to me and said, could you sponsor me, to buy 2 taxis, because I've checked out, and from my home to Spanish Town Center, I could get some money. I said to him again, forget that, go ahead and do your levels, and then you can come back out and work on. Of course, this taxi business, which he tried to lever the people, talking about 2 taxis. So he graduated, and when I went to look for him, I said, what you doing? He said, I'm in the taxi business. I said, how is it? I said, I have 30 taxis on the road and somebody will have to come up. But I'm going to get out of the business and go to something else.
Okay. All right. So I have you made mention briefly about.
My wisdom warriors, I rest my case. Wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel about all this, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. One love.
Jamaican people want better. Economy coming like stormy weather. Ancestors are turning on them grave. They can tell me how we can do it together. When we look at the future of precipice, we see Jamaica needs the vision of the PNP. People said they bag up promises, them can't carry go shop. And the crime rate getting high, I wonder when it all goes to comrades. Jamaican people want better. Economy coming like stormy weather.
You may cheat and escape punishment. You may lie and get promoted. You may hurt people and still look successful. But inside, you will know the truth. Money can silence people. Power can silence systems. But nothing can silence a guilty conscience. So, live right. Even when no one is watching. Because at the